Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaure and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge. Question number 53, LRU cache. Well, this is a good question, and if you can't see on the left or right hand side, I have done this question in Python, and there's a reason behind doing this question in Python. And in this question is actually asking from a particular sort of data structure or particular sort of thing which is directly given in Python. So instead of recreating in Java or C++ or C language, I thought it would be easy for me to directly use Python, so that's why I've used it. So I hope so this won't be any problem for you guys. So what is LRU cache? LRU, you can see it as a certain type of data structure. You can definitely go in Wikipedia and read for what is LRU cache. But basic idea is कि जो आप सबसे कम यूज हो रहा है उस चीज को आप सबसे पहले एलिमिनेट करोगे, उस चीज को सबसे पहले यूज करोगे, ठीक है, और यही प्रेसिडेंस चलता जाएगा. ओके, लाइक एन स्टैक. ओके, द स्मॉल अदर थिंग इज इफ ऑलरेडी की एग्जिस्ट करती है तो उसी चीज को चेंज करना पड़ेगा और अगेन उसको रीऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा. सो this is the code, and this is the space and time complexity which I got. Not that bad. Space complexity is still bad, but that's fine. So thank you for watching the videos, and I will keep posting more videos of this G Vishwanathan's challenge.